Hip bone, that is a irregular innominate bone of lower limb. Introduction of hip bone. The introduction, irregular bone, innominate. Why it is known as innominate? Because it is made up of three parts: ilium, ischium and pubis. Side determination of hip bone. The acetabular cavity, that is a cup-shaped cavity, always outside. Above the acetabulum, there is a broad flat bone that is known as ilium. Exactly below the acetabulum, there is one foramen that is known as obturator foramen. That means from above to down, ilium, acetabulum and obturator foramen. Okay. Then obturator foramen, exactly anterior to the obturator foramen, there is one triangular bone present that is known as pubis. And exactly below the obturator foramen, there is one tuberosity present known as ischial tuberosity. Okay. Then posterior part of the ilium, there is one rough surface that is known as sacral surface. Exactly below it, there is one great notch that is known as greater sciatic notch. 3 points that is main for side determination. Number 1, acetabular cavity always faces laterally or outside. Number 2, sacral surface, rough surface, as well as you can say greater sciatic notch, always situated posteriorly. And sequence from above to down, ilium, acetabulum and obturator foramen. So this one, that is a right-sided hip bone. Hip bone. How to hold hip bone? So for holding hip bone, here you can see large notch of, you can say, our hand fixed with large notch of hip bone. That means thumb inside the, you can say, hip bone, and outside the hip bone over the acetabulum, forefinger you have to set it. After that, hold it like that. There is a anterior superior iliac spine and pubic symphysis present in, you can say, same coronal plane, and symphysial surface of body of pubis situated vertical on median plane. In short, whole of the hip bone that rests on ischial tuberosity. So this one, anatomical position of, you can say, right hip bone. This is a left-sided hip bone. How can? Here you can see acetabulum outer side, from above to down side, ilium, acetabulum and obturator foramen. How to hold it? So sciatic notch, great notch of our hand, fix it and hold it like that. This is a, you can say, left side of hip bone.